Today's quick review is going to be on this VHT red caliper paint, and it's supposed to be able to withstand 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's specifically made for the calipers. They have some that are made for the engine, but this one here is made for the calipers. I'm really satisfied with the finished product. It looks very, very shiny, so I thought I was going to need a nice little clear gloss to go over it, but it already has a nice little sheen to it. Now I'm going to use this heat gun to cure it at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Just kind of move it around a little bit. Alright, so this is the heat gun that I used, and then I used this infrared thermometer to read the temperature of the caliper, because remember, I want to cure it to 200 degrees. So you basically have to have the gun situated at a good distance to maintain a nice 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you use this, which shoots out a little laser. I don't know if you can see that here on the video. It shoots out a laser onto the surface and it reads the temperature. So it's showing 87 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So here's the finished product. Came out pretty good. If you want to check out these VHT spray cans, be sure to click on the link in the description below.